Welcome back to Love, Sex, and Money. It's good to see you again. Just to get a little housekeeping out of the way, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love it if you could. I'm really trying to grow my channel to get my content out to whoever needs it. Trying to serve here all those who are struggling with blocks in their love life, sex life, or in their money and finances. So if you want, hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell button so you get notified when I upload new content, because I'm constantly uploading new videos. So today I want to talk to you about how to create a sacred space for your relationship. And I just wanted to give you one little exercise that is truly such a beautiful exercise that you can do with your lover. So what you want to do is, first of all, you want to set aside a night that you're going to do this, and you want to set it like a week out, right? Like actually, talk it over with your partner and say that you really would like to explore a night of intimacy together and make it really fun and kind of look like forward to how you can anticipate it and things like that. So, you might, say on Monday that you're going to do it Saturday night, and go out of your way and maybe get some special candles, even pick out like some soft music that you might like to listen to. Melanie Gardot, a French singer, has an amazing voice, kind of soft, sultry. You could have her kind of playing in the background very gently, but basically you want to create a really soft, beautiful, intimate space for your little rendezvous. And then you might want to get some incense, get some really beautiful smelling incense, put that on, because what you're really doing is you're trying to feed all of the senses so that on your little rendezvous, you're going to have beautiful scents coming in through the aroma that you're going to smell through your nose. You're going to have soft, subtle sounds of music just kind of lilting your ears. You'll have a candlelight, so you have soft shadows. It's a real gentle light. It's not too harsh. You're not totally pitch black. You want some kind of light. And you might even want to pick out a special outfit that you might wear, maybe something soft, playful, but also comfortable, because what we want you to do is you're going to want to sit in yab yum pose. So you and your partner would sit in yab yum pose, and if you don't know what that looks like, you can just Google it. You'll see a quick image. It's basically where, if it's male female, we'll just do that as a general example. The female kind of climbs into her partner's lap and wraps her legs around him. So you're kind of facing each other, and she's in her lap, and you're, kind of looking eyeball to eyeball. And you basically, if possible, hopefully with your sizes, you'll be able to, if you could, really, you would love to be kind of like having your chakras aligned, lined up face to face, like your root chakra and his root chakra right there are just, lining up directly. But what you want to do is, so you'll climb into each other's lap, take a few deep breaths, get really centered. And then what you want to do is you'll have, like, look into one of their eyes, like you might look into their left eye, and he'll look into your left eye. And you don't speak. You just take a few deep breaths and you start speaking through your eyes. Just start communicating, like literally think of something you want to say, and then send that beautiful thought or message to your lover through your eyes. What you're really trying to do is you're trying to connect an intimate moment where it's beyond words, and it's really coming from a place of energy, where you are connecting heart to heart with their energy. And you take a few deep breaths, and you will, you're looking into each other's eyes, and really do that kind of for as long as you feel comfortable for it, and, go back and forth. It can be an incredibly beautiful experience. I've definitely been moved to tears from the experience, where I get so welled up with the emotion of just what comes through in receiving that that pure emotion. It's a very beautiful and sacred experience. So then after you've done that for a little while, then what you want to do is you want to take a few deep breaths, and then you want to establish like a heart connection. So you would focus on your heart and then send the energy out to your partner, and you want to establish like an energetic connection between their heart and your heart. And what you'll do is you're going to end up cycling the energy. So you'll take a deep breath, and then you're going to exhale. When you exhale, you would push the energy from your heart into his heart, and then you're going to draw the energy down. You'll pull it down through his solar plexus chakra, and then you're going to draw it out of his sacral chakra, and you pull it into your sacral chakra. And so what you do is then you pull it up through from your sacral chakra up to your heart chakra, and you just start cycling the energy back and forth throughout your two bodies. So you're merging your energies together, and it is an incredibly beautiful and intimate experience. And so you can keep doing that, and then you can move it up further if you want to try going up to like the throat chakra and the third eye chakra. It's however you want to play with it. But if you at least do the heart chakra and cycle it down to the sacral chakra, which is the sexual chakra, sexual energy, and you're just cycling that back and forth. It's an incredibly beautiful experience, and I definitely think it can bring you and your partner closer together, and lead to much more exciting things. But so I just wanted to share that with you. It's just one little exercise that you can do to bring greater intimacy to you and your partner's sexual connection. And of course, the first time you do this, you have to be playful, because you might not be comfortable, you're not really sure, maybe you haven't really worked with your energy that much. It's okay, but the more you do it, the better you get at it. And it's all about, there is no wrong, right? There is no wrong. It's really just about being open to taking your connection with your lover to the next level. It's about being playful, open, and curious about how you can explore your own sexual energy, and how you can merge your heart and your soul and your spirit during your sexual connections. So I hope you found value in that. As always, if you are not aware, I have a link in the description box, which is my fundraising page for Operation Underground Railroad. I am an abolitionist, and I'm committed to raising $1 million for Operation Underground Railroad to rescue children from human trafficking. There are currently over 2 million children in slavery today. It is the fastest growing criminal enterprise on the planet. Over 800,000 children go missing every year in the United States, and a child goes missing every 30 seconds in Europe, all towards human trafficking. So these children need our love and our leadership. And so if you feel so inclined, it would move me so much, and it would be such a blessing if you were to donate to them. Every penny goes directly to them. Nothing comes to me. It's a fundraising page directly linked to them. So I hope you found value in today's video, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.